Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia, and for those of you who are joining me again, I thank you for coming back. First, I'm going to start with Chanel Soleil Tan. It's pretty much a nice little glow. Now I'm going in with my NYX Total Control, and this color is Mocha. It comes in a little dropper. I'm actually going to shake it up some. Seems a little dark, but I'm going to make it work. My Mercier concealer in 6N. My translucent powder from Mercier. And today I'm just going to use this all over my face. I'm not going to use the brightening. I'm not going to use the brightening powder. Contour with this Candleglow. Candleglow in number 6. Going in with Winky Lux for my brows. Today I'm going for a natural appeal, so I lightly colored in, I lightly filled in my brows, and now I'm going to just outline them to clean them up because I definitely need to get them done. I still haven't done that, so I'm going to make it look like I don't need to get them done. Tricks of the trade. We're just going to blend that in. I think this side's a little more hairy, so it takes a little more concealer to knock it out, but it'll still get the job done. I'm going to go in with Pomegranate on my cheeks. It's just pretty fun pink color. And these are very highly pigmented, so I literally just do a few dabs into it, and then I'm going to dot it on my skin and then blend in after I place the color. So I'm going to go in with my neutral lip, and I'm just going to line the outside of my lips, like where I have a natural darker line, and just to even out my lips. And that's going to be my lip for this look. And this is Buerre, and this is by MAC, but it's discontinued. But it's like a mauve color, so I'm sure you could find comparable. So that is my lip, and I'm gonna keep this look very neutral. You guys want to know like what I do to get a very natural, my most natural look, and this is it. I'm probably going to add some liner, like black liner on the top inside of my eye, and some mascara, and that's pretty much it. So I will do that for you. I'm going to use this PUR On Point liner. This is for the top of my eye, the top inside of my eye. And I'm actually not even going all the way in. I'm just going half of the way in. It often makes my eyes water. And then I'm going to take this PUR On Point, and this is Down to Earth, and this is going to go on the inside of my bottom waterline. And the thing I like about these is they naturally sharpen with the top, so if it ever gets low, all you have to do is twist it, and it'll sharpen it back up, and then you're ready to use it. For my mascara, I'm going to go in with TooFaced Better Than Sex. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is such a fun and quick way to do your makeup. You know, sometimes you don't want to have makeup on, or you don't want the heaviness of makeup, so you just want to throw on something light that's still going to make you look nice and fresh. And this is the look to go for. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something. As usual, please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend, send them on over, leave comments, let me know what you guys want to see next. And I thank you for joining.